नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. ANITA Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today topic is BARYTA Carb Medicine. Carbonate of BARYTA is common name. It is especially indicated in infancy and old age. This remedy brings aid to scrofulous children, especially if they are backward mentally and physically, are dwarfish, do not grow and develop, have scrofulous ophthalmia, swollen abdomen, take cold easily, and then always have swollen tonsil. Person subject to quinsy, which is prone to suppurate, gums bleed easily, disease of old men when degenerative changes begin, cardiac, vascular, and cerebral, who have hypertrophied prostate or indurated testes, very sensitive to cold, offensive foot sweats, very weak and weary, must sit or lie down or lean on something, very averse to meeting strangers, caterer of posterior nares with frequent epistaxis, often useful in the dyspepsias of the young who have masturbate and who suffer from seminal emission, together with cardiac irritability and palpitation, affect glandular structure and usually in general degenerative changes, especially in cords of arteries, aneurysm, and senility. BARYTA is a cardiovascular poison acting on the muscular cords of heart and vessel, arterial fibrosis, blood vessel soften and degenerate, become distended, and aneurysms rupture and apoplexis result. Mind symptom: loss of memory, mental weakness, irresolute, lost confidence in himself, senile dementia, confusion, bashful, aversion to strangers, childish grief over trifles, head symptom, vertigo, stitches when standing in the sun, extending through head, brain feels as if loose, hairs falls out, confusion, veins, eye symptom, alternate dilatation and contraction of pupils, photophobia, goes before eyes, cataract, hardness of hearing, crackling noise, glands around ear, painful and swollen, reverberation on blowing nose, nose symptom, dry sneezing coryza with swelling of upper lip and nose, sensation of smoke in nose, discharge of thick yellow mucus, frequent bleeding, scabs around wing of nose, face pale, puffed, sensation as of cobweb, other medicine alumina, upper lip swollen, mouth symptom, awake with dry mouth, gums bleed and retract, teeth ache before menses, mouth filled with inflamed vesicles, foul taste, paralysis of tongue, smarting, burning pain in tip of tongue, dribbling of saliva at dawn, spasm of esophagus when food enters, throat, submaxillary glands and tonsils swollen, takes cold easily with stitches and smarting pain, quinsy, suppurating tonsils from every cold, tonsil inflamed with swollen veins, smarting pain when swallowing, worse by empty swallowing, Feeling of a plug in pharynx, can only swallow liquids, spars of esophagus as soon as food enters esophagus, causes gagging and choking, other medicine, murk or graphitis, throat trouble from overuse of voice, stinging pain in tonsil, pharynx or larynx. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.